So we're in Clovis, California. We have a Kohler toilet that we just installed. This was purchased by the homeowner. I think it is the, I want to say it's the Lynn Trail, but I might be forgetting the name. It's a newer model from Kohler, so real nice. It has the no bolts through tank for mounting the tank there. It's got the bracket down there similar to the Kohler Cimarron, so that's nice. Anyways, so we've got brand new 5/16 closet bolts. Those are upgraded from the 1/4 inch closet bolts. And then of course we did while we're here put a new shutoff valve in. They had the old style integrated shutoff valve and supply line. It's a corrugated stainless steel tubing that goes up there, and so we just replaced a 1/4 turn shutoff valve, so 1/4 turn on, 1/4 turn off, and then a Fluid Master, or actually a Brass Craft supply line. And flange was in good shape. It's all plastic, so not bent, not cracked, so that's in good shape. Tiles were quite a bit uneven, so you've got multiple shims around the perimeter just to keep it from moving around. And especially in the front here, it's up pretty high, so shims there, so no movement. It's good. Got it caulked back in. It is filling correctly, flushing correctly, shutting off correctly. Everything looks good on this toilet. Got another project we're going to go look at out in the kitchen. Outside of that, this installation is done.